Hey guys, this is Farm Tour Part 1. We are going to be going out to our shed. And today, it's called the truck shed. The truck shed, yes, the truck shed. So, the truck shed where we keep a bunch of our semis. So, that's where we're going to be going today. As you can see. See it that well right now? But you will. It's parkour. Right over here. It's kind of hard to no power and steering parking. I need to make this fast or my phone will die. So, we're going to run over this. Okay, we're here. So, starting off with the Chevy Tanker. It's a Chevy 8,000. This is actually my dad's. And as you can see, pretty nice. Not the best. Not good. Well, some people have different opinions. You know, I don't like it. Now, this is just like my least favorite. I don't want to go inside. But it's so bad on the inside. I hate it. Good truck. Oh, it's killing me. Oh, this is shut. I forgot. So you guys are not really going inside. Guys, I'll go to the other side and go in. It's a nicer one. Kenworth. Freightliner? No, that last one was the last one, so sorry. Kenworth was the first one. That's what you're getting from a... What are these called? Freightliner. So, Freightliner here. Western Star Kenworth. This is a Mack. As you can see, Mack. It's nice on the inside. It's pretty nice. Some other semis are better though. It's really has a bunch of lights. But on the other one, it doesn't have those lights. Whoosh. And running. Fuel truck. This is a good, not the best Chevy. So it's a corrected cat diesel. Like, I was going to say the other Chevy though. So I'll get a new truck. I think it's Max, but I like Max Ford. Backhoe. Now Ford's my favorite. See, we don't have any of those trucks anymore. We used to. It says, as you can see, cat in there once. Bird nest and a bunch of stuff. Flat time. It's usually just sitting here. So that is Shed Part 1. Also, with Part 1, we're gonna do that one next. We're gonna go here. We have a Hagee sprayer. It comes with this whole area. Hagee sprayer. Nice. Then we're just gonna do the Hagee. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Now, yeah, that's it for Part 1. Yeah,